In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix notification not showing on iPhone. Let's get started. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Check whether focus mode or do not disturb mode is enabled. If it is enabled, tap it once to disable it because these modes can block notifications from appearing. If notifications are still missing, open the Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on Notifications. Under the Display As, set it to Stack, then tap on Show Previews and set it to Always so your notification previews can appear normally on the lock screen and notification center. If the issue still continues, you can refresh your iPhone by quickly pressing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then holding the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. This restart does not delete your data and often fixes temporary notification glitches. Next, head back to the main page of settings, go to General, then scroll all the way down, click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then click on the option Reset. Now select Reset Network Settings and go through the process. Once your iPhone restarts, connect to your Wi-Fi network and check your notifications again. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.